My name is Hardev Singh Sandhu and my Maitri number is 1910923115. Okay, I will be presenting about the introduction and also objective. And my group member Siva Ganesan will be presenting about the coding and also output. So our system is based on digital thermometer. So the introduction states that the digital thermometer is a widely used item of temperature measuring equipment that significantly overhauls and updates the traditional liquid-based thermometers. Our objectives, there are three main objectives. The first one is that scenarios in which the accuracy of a traditional thermometer is likely to be compromised or insufficient. The second objective states that the situation in which quick, highly responsive temperature readings need to be taken repeatedly across different zones of temperatures without having to wait for liquid versions to ramp up or return to neutral. So the third objective is that environments that are likely to cause damage to or failure of more fragile glass thermometers.
Hi, good day everyone. My name is Sivansan son of Kumasamy and my MATI number is 1910923356. This is our coding for OEL2, which is digital temperature with using PIC 16F877A and using LM35 temperature sensor for interfacing. Okay, let's start. So I'm using hashtag include xc.h library and I define the XTL frequency to 20 million. Then we set the main configuration of Pragma, which is FOC equals to HS, then LVP equals to on, then the rest all we set off. For the program we using LCD, so we set for D bits as RD2, RD1 and RDO. Okay, now we unsign the integers A, B, C, D, E, F. We unsign the integers temperature to ADC and we set the temperature to float. Okay, here we write the LCD command for char A, char B, character D with delay 500 milliseconds. Here we set the LCD initial. Okay, here we set the white interrupt for ADC con. Here PIR bits goes high once the conversion is complete. Here the ADC variables over here. Then the 10-bit ADC will store here. Initial for the wait main, we are going to enable the global interrupt. We want to enable the peripheral interrupt and we will enable the ADC interrupt enables. For the global interrupt and the peripheral interrupt, we will using for if we set any interruption, and the ADIE interruption will set to convert analog to digital conversion. 3D and 3C is specially made for the LCD. Then we analyze the LCD, we set the LCD. Then in the first line, first column, we have printed something which is sensor. Then along with the other number. The ADCON 0 and ADCON 1 is the control register configuration. The first step inside the while loop, we have set the global bits for the ADCON 0 register. To find the temperature value, first we should find the step size and find the factor. Then ADC divide by the factor, we'll get the value of temperature. Here's the LCD command, which is A will be print the first 3 letter, B will print the last letter, last value. Then the character, this 2 will be print the first 2 value, then it will print the dot. After that it will print 2 value of the last. And okay, let's build the program. Build successfully. Okay, this is the process circuit that I have built. We use LM35 for sensor. We use LCD1 LM016L for LCD. I have loaded the program. When I run the program, we can see the temperature value show on the LCD. When I change the temperature in LM35, the temperature in LCD also will change.